Hey everyone, this is Mike with Backwards Machining. Just giving you an update on one of the projects I've been working on. This is, well, I mean, you all know what this is. This is my CNC milling machine. I converted it. This is the Rongfu, whatever you want to call it, Chinese, Japanese. I took out the ball screws, the Acme screws, and I replaced them with ball screws. So now there's no backlash. Both sides, X and Y, same thing. Nothing I can do about the Z, unfortunately. The Z is, I'm kind of stuck with the Z. I can't put a ball screw there, obviously, but I'm not worried about the Z axis. I'm more worried about the two-dimensional aspect of it. That way, when I tell the program to cut a circle, it doesn't cut an egg anymore. And using the Acme screws that come with the machine is generally what ends up happening because of the backlash. No matter how tight I try to adjust it, they're not meant to do it. So you can see down there the ball screw. Now the steppers are there, and this was the first mount I ended up coming up with. I'm basically this would go here, you know, and these bolts will come out. There'll be one solid bolt all the way through. It'll bolt this on, and then the stepper motor will attach to this via the 4 holes, and then the coupling in the middle. Same thing over here, you know, just a little different. Same type of design. Unfortunately, I don't know how it happened. I did it all through CAD. The centers did not line up exactly, so I redrew it again using this as the reference now. So I'm hoping that this works. Anyway, that's what I've been up to. I didn't expect this to take as long as it did, but unfortunately, like I said, I mean, these prints, I've been making these solid because I don't want any flex. And, you know, stuff like this takes 13, 15 hours. So it takes a while. Not to mention, this whole thing had to be taken apart several times so I can make mounts for the ball screw. You could tell it's still not done. I'm going to have a mount over here with a bearing. I'm going to have to turn this down, and I'm going to put a handle here so I can crank this manually as well. I ended up putting a hold on the CNC plasma table till I finish this, because I need this to help me finish the CNC plasma table. I know, it's just been one heck of a catch-22 every time I turn around. But yeah, that was it. I have made a lot of progress with this machine, and I wasn't going to upgrade it to ball screws, but the amount that I use this thing is insane. I could probably justify buying a CNC milling machine, like a Tormac, as the amount that I use this thing. So I'm going to do the ball screw thing, hope that works, get, you know, some more precision out of this, and then we'll get back at the CNC plasma table. There's not much left to do to it, but I'll do that another video. We'll do the reveal on that another time. I know I told you guys it'd be done by now, but, you know, things happen. And like I said, I got to finish this thing first. But, all right, guys. Catch you later. Hope everyone's doing good. Squamicut, Rhode Island.